If you're a woman in leadership and you're good at what you do, but still finding yourself overlooked, overextended, or expected to adapt to the room around you, you're not the problem. Hi, I'm Denée. I'm a leadership strategist and a former physician, and I work with high achieving women who are already carrying a lot of responsibility at work and are thinking about stepping into more senior leadership, but don't want that next step to mean more weight, more pressure, or more self sacrifice. On this channel, we talk about power, visibility, and authority. Not so you can perform leadership better, but so you can make sense of what you're already navigating and lead in a way that actually feels like you. This isn't about adjusting yourself to fit the room. It's about leading on your own terms. I've spent decades leading inside complex organizations and as a business owner. And what I see over and over is this: women who are capable, trusted, and relied on often end up carrying far more than they need to, especially as their roles get bigger. And over time, that extra weight can quietly become a barrier to advancement. Here you'll get language, perspective, and practical strategies you can actually use, things that help leadership feel lighter, clearer, and more aligned, so you're not constantly overfunctioning just to be taken seriously. If that resonates, subscribe to the channel and download the free tools and resources linked below. They're designed to help you stop carrying what isn't yours and lead in a way that feels more natural and sustainable. There's a short series on the channel that offers a good place to start. I'm really glad you're here.